with Joey from Epson, and we've come to look at some FPV glasses for DJI. Joey, tell us what we got.
So let me introduce you to our products that we've got here. We have the Maverio BT-300 and BT-35e smart glass products, generally pitched at the consumer and commercial drone pilots. The advantage of the glasses is that you get a first-person view of the camera feed from the drone directly in the glasses, as well as all of the flight data, and be able to see above, below, around and through the glasses means you've also got situational awareness and you can keep visual line of sight with your drone.
Now this, I really didn't have an idea about this product until I saw it. This is going to be very hard to demonstrate. You are going to need to check these out for yourself, but the picture you see, the picture quality was unreal. You can see what your drone sees and you still have, like you say, situational awareness, which was perfect. It really is exceptional. So, let's see if we can show the camera maybe.
We can give it a go at least. So what you've got in here are two silicon Oled displays, and they're a 720p HD resolution. I don't know what you can see through here.
What you can't quite see at the moment is these, is it both of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what you can't quite see at the moment is both of these go into, obviously, each individual eye and show you a screen which becomes like a 3D image.
So it's a binocular display, so although you have two images, it merged into a single head-up display.
It is a fantastic product. I'm very excited to try this out, so I'm going to be getting a pair of these and seeing how we can get on with it.
Excellent. So the difference between the two models, I'll just explain briefly.
Yeah.
The BT-300 runs on Android operating system. It's an all-in-one solution. You download the applications from our own app store. All of the DJI apps and drone apps that you'd need are there. And this runs on here. So it basically replaces where your smartphone, tablet or other device would go.
Right.
It connects by either Wi-Fi or USB. We generally recommend USB just for stability.
Yeah.
And then you get that display right there in your glasses. On the commercial version, this has an HDMI input. So you just plug and play HDMI into this device and then you get the head-up display there.
Okay. And that would obviously work for any product with a HDMI.
Absolutely. So it's a really simple solution. It does need to be powered, but that can be done either from the DJI controller or through an external power bank. So the other advantage of this product for the commercial market is this hinge design. So it actually fits multiple head sizes and is more comfortable for long-term use.
Okay.
We have a built-in sunshade, so even in direct sunlight, it's really easy to just block out that external light conditions. And it's made of a reinforced magnesium frame, so it does have an IPX2 light rain resistance as well.
So the commercial version, have we got an idea of retail prices on these at the moment?
So the BT-300 retails at £599. Okay. We do have a show offer on as well, but they're £599 retail price. For the BT-35e, generally we tend to sell at ex-VAT, so £582.50, works out around £700 in VAT.
Okay. And as you can see on this one, you literally just replace where you would put your smartphone on the controller. Very straightforward, and you plug that into the USB.
It's not on the back.
USB on. So you plug that straight into the USB on the back. Kind of looks quite good then with the cable out straight into the glasses. So, yeah, so where can people go to find out more about this?
The product can be purchased directly through our website. There's loads of information there. Alternatively, it can be purchased through the likes of Amazon, Wex, Drones Direct, Jessup's. There's lots of people out there selling the product now. So Google search usually helps.
That sounds great. We'll make sure we get some links up about this. This is very exciting. Keen to show you more of this. As soon as I can get my hands on, you'll find out more. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.